Hey, what's up, you guys? So, hey, look, like anything else, if you want a certain type of action or you want a certain type of result, it's going to take a certain type of action and on your part in order to get that result. If you wanted to lose weight, well, you're going to need to take the actions that you need to on your part so that way you could cause yourself to lose weight. Well, if you want to build your net worth or you want to become a millionaire, there's certain actions that you're going to have to take in on your part in order to be able to reach that goal. So there's going to be one specific type of thing that you're going to need to buy or that you're going to need to become an investor in if you want to be if you want to work on building up your net worth or you want to become a multimillionaire. So what exactly am I talking about? Well, we're going to cover that right now in this video. So be sure to go ahead and smash that like button, smash that red subscribe button, and be sure to stay tuned and watch this video all the way through so then you can know exactly what you need to do and what type of investments you need to get into if you want to become a millionaire or you just ultimately want to just work on improving your net worth over time. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, you guys. So like I just said, if you want to build your net worth over time or you want to become a millionaire, there is just certain type of things that you need to purchase or certain type of things that you need to own in order that you could become a millionaire. So that's exactly what we're about to discuss. So what exactly am I talking about and what am I referring to when I'm talking about this one particular type of thing that basically all millionaires and even billionaires have in common? Well, it comes down simply to assets. That's the one thing that you must own if you want to become, a billionaire, a millionaire, or you just ultimately want to work on building up your net worth over time. Because if you look at the one thing that all those wealthy people, people that are rich, people that are millionaires, people that are multimillionaires, people that are billionaires, they all own assets. And if you're asking yourself as you're watching this video, what's an asset? So basically, assets are things that you own, whether they're property or they're things like stocks or something. They could be physical or non-physical, but basically what they are is there's something that you own, something that you become an investor in that causes you to basically make more money as you own that thing. So a couple examples of an asset could be a business. You can be an owner or an investor in a business. It can also, another example of an asset can be, like if you are an investor into stocks, like maybe you own stocks, and that's another type of asset that's very popular amongst rich people and very wealthy people. It's actually very common and very found in many portfolios of very wealthy people. Some of the most wealthy people in America are very large owners of stocks. And like I said, stocks is another example of an asset that wealthy people own. And then another example, probably the most easiest way to build wealth is with this particular asset. So this asset that I'm talking about is real estate, because real estate is probably the most simple and most easy and the fastest route. The fastest way to basically build wealth is through real estate, through investing or becoming an investor in real estate, purchasing property, renting them out. For example, like purchasing a single family home, going ahead, rehabbing it, making sure it's all ready to go, it's all fixed up, ready to go for a family to move into. You rent it out to a family, maybe you're making a little money month to month, and then ultimately you're building up equity and your property is appreciating in value over the years to come. Maybe you sell that property after some years, or maybe that property pays itself off over, the life of the loan, and then now you're just having consistent, constant passive income. But nevertheless, these are the type of assets, and you cannot become rich or wealthy without owning assets. That's what this video is about, helping you identify and realize that if you want to become wealthy or you want to build wealth, you need to own assets. And that's what I'm sharing this information with you in this video. And those again are some of the most common assets that are, you can find in basically every wealthy person's portfolio. Maybe they don't own all of them. Maybe not every millionaire owns stocks. Maybe not every millionaire owns real estate, but you can find in most millionaires, most wealthy people that, have a portfolio of high, level of wealth, they do have either some stocks or some real estate or some business that they're in either a direct owner or a partial. So, like I said, you want to make, if you want to become wealthy, you want to build, you want to one day become, a millionaire or a multimillionaire, then you want to make sure and you want to make it a priority to become an investor in some type of an asset. You want to become involved in and become an investor in something that is an asset that is going to appreciate over time, over the years to come, that's going to ultimately help you build your net worth, because that's what's going to turn you a millionaire. That's what's going to make you rich at the end of the day. So you need to find a way to get invested into, whether it be stocks, whether it be real estate, whether it be a business. Either, get started and invest into yourself, or maybe you go ahead and invest into someone else's business and be a partial, owner or investor into. So that's how you go ahead and start building your net worth and work on becoming a millionaire or a multimillionaire, by making sure that you own assets. So I hope it's helpful for you guys. Be sure to hit the like button if this video was helpful. Also, if you enjoy content like this, hit that red subscribe button so that way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. I post videos at 3 p.m. every Monday, West Coast time. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.